Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a discount code on your Wix site, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on the dashboard for one of my Wix stores, and I'm going to be going on from here. Your site type needs to be a store, or you have to have the store component added to your site if you want to have access to this here functionality. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing I want to mention, if you go into sales, hover over it, you can go into gift card sales, or if you go to catalog, you can also add gift cards if you so chose. That is sort of a type of a gift code or a discount code. However, to use it or to create a gift card, you do need to publish the site first. However, before you publish it, you can also create a discount code, which you can do by doing the following. You need to hover over marketing, then go into discounts, hover over that and click on coupons, and as you can see, you will get to your coupon list. You can create a discount using this button here or create a new coupon, completely depends on you. So let's go and click on new coupon for this one. As you can see, you can have a flat discount on your currency, you can have a % discount, you can have free shipping, sale price, or buy X get Y free. I'll use a percentage discount for this. You can add the coupon code, for example, tutorial for this one. Then the name will automatically be filled. If you want to change the name, you can. Then you add the discount, for example, 15%, and apply to whichever forms you want. I'll apply all forms. You can apply once per order or apply to each eligible item in the order. You can set the end date if you want to, and the beginning date if you want to as well. And then you can limit the uses if you wish as well. You can limit it to a total number of uses for a certain coupon, or you can limit it to 1 use per customer. It really doesn't matter. I'll leave both of them blank, and then you can just click create a coupon right over here. And as you can see, it'll then prompt you to promote the coupon. However, I won't be doing that. And as you can see, the coupon has been added right over here. It's a 15% off for all forms. The type is a % discount. You can click on it to edit it. As you just seen, you have the code right over here, and you have the number of uses that it went through and whether it's active or not. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.